guys, what's up? Assalamualaikum and welcome back to another brand new video of unboxing. And today I am going to unbox Fantech keyboard model number K613L. This is a full size edition gaming keyboard. It has 104 keys, media, metal body, 3 mode, 25 keys, anti-ghost, double injection caps, Windows lock. So there is the keyboard and there is a warranty card. Okay, then there is a manual book. They will give 1 year warranty. So now I am connecting the keyboard to my PC. Oh my god, the keyboard looks so good, as you can see. Okay, there are 3 options: FN, one color, and off, second color, and the third color. And there is a breathing effect. Yeah. And as they said, Windows lock. Here is the Windows lock. Yeah, it's locked now. And if I press it, Windows is not opening. And if I now press it, now Windows will open. Okay. And there is a brightness. Okay. Page down, page up, page up. Okay. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit that notification button. Thanks for watching.